Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to escape blank rows and paste this data without blank records. It looks very much regular. Sometimes we get this kind of data, but how does it work? We have two choices. Either we delete the blank rows, which we did in our previous video, or either we copy the data without blank rows. Let me tell you how does it work. Select entire data, press Ctrl G, go to spatial, and guys, select this constants, click OK. Now see that all the populated rows are selected, press Ctrl C, and you can paste wherever you require. Without blank rows, we have copied our data and pasted our data. Thank you so much. I hope you found this useful.